Mommy, it's raining. So Mommy has to next to Mama. Yeah,
I'm going to show this because this is the second time I've seen this now. So the clouds in the... Oh, sorry. It's really humid. The clouds on the lower level are going one way, but the upper clouds are actually going a different direction. Which is kind of... Okay, this is a thunderstorm in Iowa. It is pouring like this for now about half hour, 45 minutes, and has been thundering and lightning nonstop for the same amount of time. The storm moved in so fast, I didn't even have time to grab our pool or a recycling bin out of the way. This is bad. There are reports of hail in the area, and I'm just hoping this will pass over us and not produce any fun little tornadoes. We're getting so much rain right now. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. The clouds are going 4 different directions. It's wigging me out. Look at these clouds. Huge front is going over us right now. Not good.